Welcome to this guided meditation, the Enchanted Healing Garden. So please find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh new air. And gently exhale, letting any tension melt away. Allow yourself to settle in this moment, leaving behind the distractions of the day. Now gently close your eyes and picture yourself standing at the entrance of a beautiful garden. This is no ordinary garden. It's an enchanted, healing garden, filled with vibrant colors and soothing sounds. Take a moment to absorb the beauty around you. As you step into the garden, feel the warmth of the sunlight embracing your skin. The sunlight here is different. It shines with a golden glow, wrapping around you like a gentle hug. Each ray brings with it a sense of peace and healing. Notice the tall, majestic trees surrounding you. Their trunks are strong and sturdy, and their branches reach high into the sky. The leaves dance in the soft breeze, creating a gentle rustling sound that is both calming and inviting. Imagine the leaves beginning to fall, swirling gracefully around you. Each one a reminder of the beauty of nature and the cycle of life. Take a deep breath in, inhaling the fresh, clean air that surrounds you. It's crisp and invigorating, filling your lungs with vitality. As you exhale, let go of any worries or stress. With each breath, Feel your body becoming lighter, as if you're becoming one with this beautiful garden. As you walk deeper into the garden, you notice a small, tranquil pond. The water is clear and reflects the sunlight, creating a sparkling effect that mesmerizes you. Approach the pond and take a moment to observe the gentle ripples, the way they shimmer and dance on the surface. This pond holds healing energy. Imagine dipping your hands into the cool water, feeling its refreshing touch. Now visualize a soft, healing light shining gently from the sun above you. The light bathes the entire garden in warmth and comfort. Imagine this light flowing through you, filling every part of your being with healing energy. It washes away negativity and pain, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and whole. As you stand in this enchanted garden, take a moment to express gratitude. Gratitude for the beauty of nature, for the healing energy surrounding you, and for this moment of peace. Let this feeling of gratitude fill your heart, expanding with every breath you take. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. You are now back from the enchanted healing garden, carrying its peace and healing energy with you. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Have a beautiful day.